Alrighty, Michael Alder back from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to burn a carpet seam in a doorway, and this is probably going to be the most common seam you DIY types come across, so check this out. Everything's cut and ready to go, and if you need to know how to cut your seams, I got countless strategies in other videos. Here's our seam tape. I'm going to go wall to wall with that. We have it halfway under each part of the carpet. Good to go. We're going to grab our seam iron. Lift up one side, lift up the other, take it all the way back. We're going to let it rest there for 8 to 10 seconds roughly. Slide it an iron's length forward. Make sure the backing's all the way together with no fibers in the glue. I'm going to slide it another iron's length forward. Put that together. And get to the end. Just slide it straight up. Boom, good to go. So now we're gonna let this cool and dry. We're gonna stretch that way to make sure it's nice and tight. We're gonna be good to go. So, like I said, be sure to subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions about the flooring industry. I'll create a video for you, and I'll catch you on the next video.